Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous and very beautiful kalamkari painting box. You can use this box to keep your jewelry, chocolates, watches or any gift item, and it's very unique. And can you see the beautiful kalamkari print on this? You can just open it like this. Very pretty. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So first I'm showing you the beautiful paper pack which is newly launched by Little Birdie called Timeless Kalamkari. This pack contains 12 designs of 12 by 12 inches and each sheet is having 250 GSM thickness. I'm just loving each and every pattern here. Can you see the front page? And you can just use these small pieces or the motif to decorate your project. And now one by one I will show you all the pages of this beautiful kalamkari paper pack. Can you see the sheen inside each pattern? And some patterns are ready to frame. Yes, you can just easily frame it and hang it on your wall to decorate as a kalamkari painting design. I'm just loving each and every pattern so much. See these beautiful peacock motifs, flower motifs, leaf motifs, everything is fabulous. And the colors are also so vibrant and gorgeous. So these are 12 different designs which you will get in this pack. And now let's start making project using this. So first here I am taking dark green color thick sheet which measures 8.5 inches by 4 and 3/4 inches. If you are not comfortable in inches, just Google it and convert inches into centimeters and you will get the measurements in centimeters. Now on the long side I am scoring at 4 inches and 8 inches. Now just rotate your sheet and from left side I am creasing at half inches, 1.5 inches, 3 inches and 4 inches. Like this. Then put your paper like this is 4 inches and this is 8 inches core line and the top line is 3/4 inches and bottom is half inches. So you have to keep your sheet like this before starting with the next step. Now from left side I am making some markings using my ruler. So here I am marking on half inches, then 3.5 inches, then 4.5 inches and then 7.5 inches. To make the crease lines I have used my scoreboard, but you can also use ball tool and ruler to make the crease. Now similarly I am marking in the bottom on half inches, 3.5 inches, 4.5 inches and 7.5 inches. Like this. Then here we just need to crease till the first core line. Can you see this first core line? So you just need to draw a crease till this scored line. Similarly I am doing in the bottom till the first scored line. Like this and this. So repeat this for all the markings. And this is done, and it should look like this. Then we need to join this point with this. So again I am taking my ruler and ball tool and making a crease line. Similarly I am doing here. And also doing in this corner. Repeat this in the bottom as well. And this is done. So it should look like this. Now I will show you how to cut it. So again I am putting my 4" and 8" wider, and the 3/4 should be top and half should be bottom. And now start cutting it like this. So just follow my instruction and it is very easy. And this is done. You can just take a screenshot here for your future reference. And now I'm folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder. Now it's time to decorate with some pattern papers. So here I am taking my kalamkari pattern paper designs and decorating these 3 lines like this. So for the middle one I have used these strips. For the bottom one I have used these strips, and for the top one I have used this border. So just complete it by adhering. So here I have just stuck all parts using glue, and with the same procedure I have created one more panel Everything is same, all the measurements are same. So to create the box we need two panels. Now first I am going to construct my half panel by adhering these small folds. So just add glue and connect like this. Allow it to dry for few minutes till the time I am adhering my second panel as well. Then I am joining both the panels with each other. So just fold these flaps inside, add glue and connect with other side. Similarly repeat on the remaining side. So after constructing the box it should look like this and it's looking gorgeous. Now in the bottom you will get this kind of strip. So here I am taking 3 by 3 inches of two pieces of green cardstock. One I will add from inside and one I will add from outside. So just adhere it with the base. Now to create lid, I am taking here green thick sheet which is 4.5 inches and I am taking little larger than 4.5 inches. You can say 2 mm larger than 4.5 inches from all the sides. So you need a square which is little larger than 4.5 inches and from all four sides I have creased on 3/4 inches. Now I'm just constructing my lid here. So cut these 4 flap like this and then just construct it. And the lid is ready. Now you can just check it with the box that it is fitting perfectly on top like this. Yes, it's perfect. Now I'm decorating this as well. So first I'm adding one border design with the lid. I have cut this border from same pattern paper pack. Then I am adding this beautiful peacock motif pattern on the top. And this is done. Then to create one hanging, I am just marking on the lid exactly in the center and making one hole using needle like this. Then passing 2 silk thread tassels from the needle thread, tie both the tassels together, and then I am passing one golden color flower cap and one yellow color bead. So this is just for decoration. You can skip this step, but it will give a nice look to your box. Now just pass through the hole which we have created earlier, and then just making some knots to tighten this. Cut the needle and adding one tacky tape, sticking the excess thread with this and covering the inner part also using pattern paper piece. And the lid is ready. Now just put it on your box and it's done. So the beautiful kalamkari pattern gift box is ready. I'm just loving the outcome very much, and you can try this with different patterns. And after adding this beautiful pattern paper, you don't need to add any other embellishment because it is looking very nice as it is. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.